Hello. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's good to have you back. If you are a returning subscriber, I say welcome, and if you are new, I say thank you for stopping by. Please click the subscription button below. So let's get started to the video. So in today's video, I want to show you how I day trade on daily basis, how I look at the chart every time I opened my phone or my system. How do I look at the chart? What do I see? How do I see them before I take my trade and make trade decision on daily basis? So today this video is to show you how I day trade. So okay, let me use this chart here and then maybe I'll do another one more. All right, so this is volatility 75-1x, although it's the same with everything, currency per stock, whatever I want to do, it is the same. All right, so the first thing I usually would do when I want to day trade, just make money for that day, not wanting to just project really far, is that I when I open the chart, I just go to the daily time frame first of all to see what the daily time frame is saying. All right, so you can see here what the daily time frame is telling me. All right, okay, good. So let me zoom out so that we can see clearly. All right, so now yesterday daily time frame, let me zoom out. All right, yesterday daily time frame, the market sold. All right, we can see yesterday's daily time frame. Let me mark it out. All right, you can see I've marked it out. So that's yesterday's daily time frame. So yesterday's daily time frame sold. All right, so what do? It means that today I was supposed to sell. But first of all, I have a problem here. All right, so this is how I look at the chart critically. But first of all, I have a problem here. You can see that the market from all of these points has been ranging. So I have a problem. All right, the market has been ranging. So normally or usually I would just avoid this kind of trade because the market has not really told us the direction to go. Although I can look at the chart now and then I can do an analysis and know exactly where we want to go, but that is not the goal of this video. The goal of this video is to show you what I do on daily basis and how I do it on daily basis. So let us assume, all right, let us assume that although this is what I see, but yesterday sold. All right, so if yesterday sold, it then means that today also I will be interested in selling. So every time this happens, I go down. So I've made the decision today now. All right, yesterday sold. All right, the market tells us that yesterday sold, so today I want to still sell. All right, because I've not seen a weak rejection or a rejection. That's a bearish engulfing candle, for Christ's sake. That's big. You can see. Let me zoom out. That's a bearish engulfing candle. Let me delete it. All right, you can see that's a bearish engulfing candle. So today I'll be interested in doing what? I'll be interested in selling this guy. So what do? I go down to my 1 hour time frame. Good. Now on the 1 hour time frame, this is what I saw. The market was here. So this is where the market closed. The market was here. This is where the market closed. And that be bad, or else we know market basics that it will not be good for us to sell at these points. Not good at all. We want the market. We want this guy to push back up from this place that it is. Is that not so? To push back up. Let me delete this. All right, from this place to push back up to maybe this point. All right, before we cannot take the sell. Before we cannot take the sell to the downside. All right, so I expect the market to push back to that side at least before I can get confirmation, and then I push the market down to that side. So what do? What that implies is that for the market to be able to go back to that side, it means that the market has to buy. All right, I am not a counter trend trader, but although I understand that there are people who do not mind, they do the counter trending and then they do the trend trading. So whether the market is on the opposite of the trend or the market is trending, whatever, as long as they see what they want to see, what they do is that they take their trade. So what would I have done? All right, in this case, I would have just sat down and then just observe and wait for the market to return back to this level that I marked red. Is that not so? And for the market to get there, I understand that the market has to buy. So what do? I like to put a counter trend. All right, so by that time, this is where the market would have been. All right, all of this place would not have formed. Now look at this. All of this place would not have formed when I was doing this analysis. All of this would not have formed. Is that not so? All of this would not have formed. So I connect a counter trend. As the market keep going down, I keep adjusting it. So I see that I adjust my counter trend to this point. Is that not so? Good. I adjusted my counter trend to this point. So what do I expect? Am I a counter trend trader? No. But then if I am interested in actually buying the market, because all indication is that this market will not get a sell trade today, the market will want to buy. Pull back. So the market will want to buy, we will not get the sell trade. So what do? I connect my trend line. Is that not so? And then I expect the market to violate my trend line. And when that violation happens, I'll begin to look for opportunity. So I expect the market to violate my trend line. And when that violation happens, I begin to expect a buy. Is that not so? So first thing first, look at this place. Is that not so? Look at this place. Let me zoom out. All right. If you understand candlestick formation, all right, you will understand that the market gave us confirmation to sell the market. Now look at this. Now first confirmation came in at this point. All right, can you see this first green candle? Now this first green candle at this point was the first confirmation for us to actually buy the market. But I do not trade like that. What I do is that I expect the counter trend to be broken. Let it be violated. Let me say a candle forming outside. All right. So what do? I still sat on my hand. So the second green candle formed. I was still sitting on my hand. What happened? The market now formed whoosh, a sell candle to the downside. Although the counter trend line has not been breached, I still did not enter. Is that not so? And then what happened? I now saw this massive sell candle outside this break of the counter trend line. So as soon as I saw that, that's a confirmation for me to enter that trade. Confirmation to enter that trade. So I could easily just enter the trade here and then place a stop loss just below this place. Take profit 1 just above this place. And that would have been it. Okay? And this would have been it. And then TP2, of course, is at the top there. All right. For those of you who will be wondering where should TP2 be, TP2 is of course at this resistance level, where this red resistance level, and then TP3 will be here, and then of course TP4. So these are my TP levels for this counter trend. All right. These are my, so this is how I look at the market on daily basis. Daily basis. I look at the last daily candle. What is it doing? What has it done? What am I expected to do for that current day? And then I position myself on how to take the trade. All right, guys. So I will see you on the next one. I'm making another video. This video is becoming already very lengthy, so I'll make another video. All right, using another pair or another asset. So I'm going to make, because it's already 10 minutes, and I wanted this video to be about 5 or 6 minutes. All right. Thank you for coming. Do click the subscription button, give this video a thumb up, and if you are new, all right, smash the subscription button. I love you. Thank you so much. Peace out.